Hi, I'm Jay Wiseman from the Legacy Philanthropy Group. On behalf of Paul Muir, Sally Glick, and the entire nonprofit roundtable at the Morris County Chamber, I'd like to personally invite you to attend our 16th annual not-for-profit conference on the morning of April 28th at the Hilton in Parsippany. The theme of the day is reconnecting and rebuilding, lessons learned through unprecedented challenges. We've got a terrific program plan that includes a keynote with Jonathan Pearson from the Horizon Foundation for New Jersey. And we also have a terrific panel moderated by our very own Paul Muir of the Red Mill Museum. It includes Carmen Dio of Community Hope, Kieran Guadioso of the United Way of Northern New Jersey, and Philip Salerno of the Children's Specialized Hospital Foundation. We'll also be continuing our tradition of acknowledging and appreciating some of the individuals and organizations that demonstrate leadership and innovation that we all need to help our mission-driven organizations thrive and serve the Morris County community. We are so looking forward to gathering our cohort and seeing everyone in person. You can register on the events page on the Chamber website. Everyone on your team is welcome. I hope to see you there.